Hello guys, welcome once again to How to Wisdom, and today we're talking about budgeting. From the picture you realize that the rich and the poor have two different mindsets as regards budgeting. For the rich, how they spend their money is that they invest like 25% on needs, 10% on want, and they invest 65% on assets. Whereas the poor on average spend 40% on their needs, they spend 55% on their want, and they are left with 5% for investing. Even some don't invest at all. How you budget your money right now will determine if you will be rich or you will be poor in the nearest future. Learn to have more of your income go towards investing in assets than in want. So like and subscribe to our channel. Take